Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Sane channel. For today's video, I'm going to share you another meme coin called Telu. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk and invest what you can afford to lose always. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, I came across something interesting recently and I wasn't even looking for it. It's just kind of popped up while I was exploring new Web3 projects. It's called Telu, and at first I thought, okay, probably just another token, right? But the more I look into it, is the more I realize it's actually trying to build something way bigger than that. So guys, here's the simple version about this Telo guys. Telo is a Web3 ecosystem, not just a token, but a combination of a token, wallet, an NFT system, and even interactive content through something called the Telo Saga. So instead of being just another coin you buy and hope goes up, it's aiming to be something people actually use. So why it's different from other coin? And honestly, that's what stood out to me the most. Because let's be real, most meme coins out there don't really have a long-term plan. It's hype. Community, maybe some marketing, and that's it. But Telo is positioning itself differently. They focus on real utility, building their own ecosystem, and long-term growth, not just short-term high. It's trying to create something where the token actually connects to features like wallets, NFTs, interactive experiences. That's a completely different direction compared to typically meme projects. Let's break down a bit. First, the Telo wallet, guys. This is meant to be part of their core system where user can interact directly with the ecosystem. Then you get NFT integration, which isn't just for collectibles. It's expected to tie into the broader Telu experience. And then there's the Telu Saga, which introduces interactive or game-like elements. So instead of everything being disconnected, the idea is to have token plus wallet plus NFTs and game elements all working together in one ecosystem. And this is where it gets interesting because Telu is still an early stage, but they already have plans for expansion, including a claim system, more developed wallet features, deeper NFT integration, and expanded game or story driven content. So, if they execute properly, this could evolve into a fully interactive Web3 environment, not just something you hold, but something you participate in. Another thing worth mentioning is that Telo is community driven, guys. Okay? So development and growth aren't just coming from a single direction. The community plays a role in shaping where things go. And for early stage projects like this, that can actually make a big difference. Now, obviously, like an early project, there's a risk. But at the same time, this is also where the opportunity comes in. Being early means you get to see how things evolve from the ground up. You can be part of the community early and potentially benefit if the ecosystem actually grows. So it's one of the those keep an eye on it kind of projects. So for me, this feels like a hype coin and more like a building pace ecosystems that's still taking shape. It's not fully there yet, but that kind of the point. It's early, and sometimes there are the most interesting ones to watch. So if you want to check out for yourself, visit their website here, guys. Okay, the link is on the description down below. Join the Telegram community and follow them for updates and early access. So I'll drop all the links in the description. So let me know what you think about Telo, guys. Is this kind of Web3 project you actually use, or you still skeptical about the system plays? So curious to hear your thoughts, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment down below if you have more questions. So again, this is Crypto Sane. Bye bye.